Any way to execute a piped command in Python using subprocess module, without using shell equals true. I want to run a piped command line linux/bash command from Python, which first tars files, and then splits the tar file. The command would look like something this in bash. I know that I could execute it using subprocess, by setting shell equals true, and submitting the whole command as a string, like so. But for security reasons I would like to find a way to skip the shell equals true part, which takes a list of strings rather than a full command line string, and which cannot handle the pipe char correctly. Is there any solution for this in Python? I.e., is it possible to set up linked pipes somehow, or some other solution?
If you want to avoid using shell equals true, you can manually use subprocess pipes. Note that if you do not use the shell, you will not have access to expansion of globbing characters like. Instead you can use the glob module. Tar can split itself. Main script.sh. To reassemble. Add this to your Python program.
Is there any reason you can't use tar file? This URL. Just write like a file-like object using tar file rather than invoking subprocess.
Shameless plug, I wrote a subprocess wrapper for easier command piping in Python, this URL. Example.